Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. Today we are going to solve most important Olympiad math problem, that is log base 2x plus log base 4x is equal to 5. We have to find the value of x. So we will solve this question step by step in very easy way. First of all, we know that 4 is equal to the 2 square. We can use change of base formula on this. Base formula on this, that is log 4x is equal to the log of base 2 x divided by log of base 2 4, and this will be equal to log of base 2x by 2. Now we will put this value in this equation. So log of base 2x plus log of base 2x divided by 2 is equal to 5. Now we take log of base 2x is equal to y. So let log of base 2x is equal to y. So we got y plus y by 2 is equal to 5. Now take the LCM. You will get 2y plus y, that is 3y, is equal to 10, and the value of y is equal to the 10 by 3. So value of y will be equal to 10 by 3. We know that y is equal to the log base 2x. It's mean we have y is equal to 10 by 3 is equal to log base 2x, which will become x is equal to the 2 power 10 by 3. So this is the value of x, 2 power 10 by 3, and this is the final answer. I hope you understand all the steps we have solved in this question. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.